Hey guys, Steve here. So we're going to do a reinstall, change out the air filter in my 2020 GMC Canyon to another one. And I did a video on how to do that. And again, real quick, there's a pin right there. Looks like that. Goes through. So pinch this together with some pliers. Needle nose pliers, pinch that and push it a little bit, and then just used flathead to pull it completely out. And then, just like in the other video, there's a little bit of play. So this piece right here goes in there, so you can just push on it a little bit and drop it. You don't have to worry about taking out this other pin. And then see, that's the push together and pull it out. So let's see if I can get it out while holding it with one hand. Okay, there we go. So this side. All right, there it is. There's the filter. Come on. Push it back in. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's the filter. This was the charcoal activated. And so the new one that I'm going to put in is off of Amazon, cabin air filter, X4YZ, cabin air filter CF11966, A-HY-00368 for my 2020 GMC filter. All right, let me pause the video and open it up. We're back. I really like this air filter. So you've got the HEPA part, which is the white side. But then the cool thing is the air flows through all of these carbon pieces. I don't know if you can see that. Hear it. And these are the little carbon pieces in a very, very fine mesh. So not only is this HEPA, which a lot of the filters are, you can buy HEPA filters like this one was. This one, I don't think, no, it wasn't HEPA, but it was charcoal activated. So this one has one side, and then on the other side. And the nice thing is it comes with, I mean, they give you a pry tool and a wrench, a Torx wrench. I guess some people might need it for their application. And then the inside of the paper says white side up. And it would be nice if, you know, they gave a little bit of a description on the outside of the box. Just, you know, cabin filter, but in the descriptions it says HEPA plus carbon activated. So All right, so the white side goes up. Oh, and the other thing is nice too is this fine sponge felt around the sides to really make it airtight. Nice fit, and then it's got a nice little tab here so that you can pull it out. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. And oh, I almost forgot. So I got this cabin filter air freshener. It works for this kind with the slots. It won't work for the one that I showed you because it doesn't have long slots, but I got this for my wife's car. And when I change her air filter, it'll fit right in the slots and then give you a nice vanilla scent for a little while at least. All right, guys, hope you liked the reinstall for the cabin filter, and then showing you this new filter that I saw that looked pretty cool because it's carbon and HEPA at the same time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it helps you out. Take care. Bye.